Guys, I changed the salute on Nature Cat. Anyways, have fun. Nature Cat? Yes! This show rocks. I like this show. It's about Nature Cat and his friends. He likes to go on awesome adventures. Nature Cat is a cool cat and he goes to the adventures. Ralph is a Nature Cat's best friend. A good dog. Squeaks is a mouse. He says, count the mouse in. Daisy is the cute bunny. She uses the tablet. Just like my tablet. Doggone is a cool band. He rock and roll. Ronald, the mean fat cat. He cheated a Nature Cat and his friends. What? He didn't cheat it anyways. Nature Cat's Foundation's Land of Frost. A food company. He could watch them movies and TVs. He could play video games. He could go to school. Anyways, these shows are cool. The animations are awesome. The theme songs are so great. Do you know who likes Nature Cat? Mushu the dragon. Who could join the Nature Cat with his friends going on adventure. Do you know who hate this Nature Cat? Shelton J. Plankton from SpongeBob SquarePants. He could steal Nature Cat's hat. Nature Cat takes that hat. He can ground it all the time. So Nature Cat rules. And so does Looney Tunes. Whoa! But not today. Son of the Mask sucks. And the salute. Next salute. Blues Clues. I like this blues.